भानी देवी गोयल संस्कृत कॉलेज झांसी से के तिवारी फिजिक्स क्लास 11 सब्जेक्ट फिजिक्स चैप्टर नंबर 15 इलास्टिसिटी। इसमें जिस टॉपिक को के बारे में डिस्कसिंग करने जा रहा वो फ्यू अदर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी। वन पॉइंट, there are three modulus of elasticity in physics, i.e. y, beta and eta. Dimension formulas and units of them are same as pressure or stress. Second point, although both stress and strain are tensor quantity as their values at a point in different direction are different, however, ratio E of those quantities remains same in every direction. Therefore, modulus of elasticity E is a scalar quantity. 3 point. The value of modulus of elasticity depends on the substance of the object. It does not depend on the shape, size, stress or strain of the body. 4 point. Liquid and gases have only bulk modulus of elasticity B, whereas solid have all three types of modulus of elasticity y, eta and b. 5 point. At constant temperature, isothermal modulus of elasticity V suffix theta is equal P. At constant heat, adiabatic modulus of elasticity V suffix phi बराबर gamma. Therefore, V phi बटे V theta is equal gamma P upon P. P से P कैंसिल होगा. Therefore, V phi upon V theta बराबर gamma greater than 1. Where gamma is equal Cp upon Cv is equal specific heat at constant temperature upon Y specific heat at constant volume. Therefore, V phi is greater than V theta. 6 point. Perfect rigid bodies have zero strain under deforming force. Therefore, their modulus of elasticity is infinite and their compressibility is 0. 7. A point. In general, in intermolecular distance increase on increases temperature. As a result of it, internal molecular force and restoring force become B. Thus, elasticity decreases. B point. When an object is immersed, its elasticity increases. C point. Y. Annealing to heat the substance and then to cool slowly, elasticity decrease. D point. On adding impurities, elasticity may decrease or increase. बेटो अगला टॉपिक है कंपैरिजन ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिफरेंट सॉलिड्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, स्टील इज मोर इलास्टिक देन रबर. जनरली it is thought that rubber is more elastic than steel. However, scientifically, steel is more elastic than rubber, and it can be explained as under. Elasticity is the property by virtue of which a body oppose any change in its state decay due to the external deforming forces. So greater is the force required to decay a given change in the state of the body, more elastic will be the body. In other words, smaller is the extension produced in the wire of same initial length and same thickness by equal deforming force. More elastic is the wire. Consider two wires of same length, capital L, and same radius R, one of the steel and other of rubber, both substance from a rigid support. If equal weight mg and subtension from their lower ends, their length increases by delta ls and delta lr respectively. If ys Young's modulus of steel and yr Young's modulus of rubber, then ys is equal mgl upon pi r square delta ls equation 1 and yr is equal mgl pi r square delta lr equation 2. Therefore ys upon by yr is equal mgl bate upon pi r square delta ls upon delta mgl pi r square delta lr बराबर delta lr upon delta ls equation 3. Experimentally, it is found that delta lr is greater than delta ls, so ys greater than yr, thus steel is more elastic than rubber. Thank you. इसके बाद कल डिस्कशन किया जाएगा